While we all practice social distancing at home, now can be the perfect time to tackle some of those home improvement projects like pressure washing your deck.
Here with tips is home contractor Skip Bedell. Oh, and he is outside his house ready to go. Hi, Skip.
I'm at home, guys, like everybody else. We're stuck at home. We got so much time on our hands, right?
I know. We're used to seeing you on Fox Square, but we will certainly take this. So what do we need to know to start?
Yeah. Well, so people are flooding me right now with asking me questions of, we want a power wash. What type should I get? How do I use it? I'm going to answer some of those questions right now with the one that I use here in my own home. So some of the features that you want to look for. So I use this Greenworks Pro. This is a 2700 PSI machine. This is a really great machine, number one, because it won't break the bank. Right now, people are looking to get things that are affordable. But some of the things you want to look for is that they have these multiple nozzles that have different types of pressure and sprays on it. So this 15-degree nozzle will give you a very sharp, hard spray to blast things off, all the way up to a 40-degree nozzle that'll give you a wider spray which won't damage painted surfaces and things like that. They're very easy to change the nozzles. You could just quick connect, take it off. I like to use the turbo nozzle, of course, because you got to have more power to do everything. Another great thing about these things is that they have the jet flow technology, which sends just the right amount of water through the tip that you're choosing. And guys, also onboard soap tank is really important to have on your pressure washers, and also big wheels. You want to be able to get around and move all around your property. That's why I love these machines. They're really affordable. They're very compact and very lightweight. Another thing you want to look for right now, I'm using electric as opposed to gas powered, because right now I don't want to go to the gas station and have to fill up a gas tank. I don't want to go to the store anywhere. So these are electric, which is super lightweight, small. All you have to do is press a button. That's it. There's no start of the engine. It's super easy to use. So I'm going to give you some demonstrations right now. I'm going to walk around and show you a couple of different things that I'll power wash today. My fence, the patio, and the house. You ready? Here we go. Follow me around. Can you hear me?
Yep, we're watching.
All right, here we go. So the fence, you can see we got the winter grime, some mildew on here. This is really effective in getting everything off that fence. I mean, it really does a great job, right?
I can see that dirt just running right off.
I know. So all the winter grime, everything coming right off. So let me show you this too. On the stone patio, this is really important. You want to be able to get all your patio, all your pavers clean. This is a very, very effective way to get that done.
Skip, this is Pete. I'm literally going home to power wash my patio today, so this could not have been more perfectly timed.
I am not.
How do I balance the grout like that out so I don't create holes in between the bricks? How do I know if I'm going too hard or not?
Yeah, so really important, Pete, and that's why I said you want to get a machine like this Greenworks that has different pressure nozzles on it. So this nozzle right here, like the 15-degree, is very sharp. This will give you a very sharp spray and powerful for blasting things off, stuff like the car and the bricks, but it will be very, very hard. Or you're going to go with a lighter, like a 40-degree, and this is great for soft things, maybe painted surfaces. You don't want to damage your wood deck. And again, that's why I like to use this turbo nozzle. It's great because when you want to get to places like high up, right?
Skip, real quick, this is Griff. I'm going to be put up to do this as well with my wife. She always wants to clean those windows. You use the light one for the window? Because you don't want to hurt it, right?
Yeah, so I like to use this turbo nozzle for the window, Griff. Let me show you why. This thing will reach up 20 feet. All the way up to the second story on my house.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Yeah.
SkipBedell.com for more information.
Yeah.
Skip,
Good
as
stuff,
always.
Skip.
Check it out.
Thank you.
I have links right now. You can get this thing shipped to your house for free.
Oh.
All right, thanks very much.
Thanks a lot, man. We appreciate it.
See you,
Turbo
Skip.
nozzle, also good at squirting your kids.